Hello student, 5th standard maths. Today we see here revision, only revision. Okay. See here how to read the 7, 8, 9 digit number in Indian system. 8 and 9 digit number, how to read in Indian system. See there. Given number here one. 3 crore 72 lakh 13,946. Okay. See here, why I say here 3 crore? See, 6 is on ones place, 4 is on tens place, 9 is on hundred place. Okay, 3 is on thousands place, 1 is on 10,000s place, 2 is on lakh place, 7 is on 10 lakh place, and 3 is on crore place. Crore place. So we read here 72 lakh 13,946. Now see here, ones, tens, 100 complete their one spread. 1,000, 10,000 complete here 1,000 spread. Lakh, 10 lakh complete here lakh period. And crore and 10 crore complete here crore period. Okay. In Indian system we use here lakh and crore. We use here lakh and crore. Okay. See next one. 15 crore 62,107. Understand how to read? Next one. In a international system. One spread write as it is Indian system. Then thousand spread. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 means in Indian system where we write the lakh, in their international system you write there 100,000. Okay. And when you write in Indian system 10 lakh, there you write million. And where you write crore, there you write 10 million. In international system. And Indian system where 10 crore, there you write 100 million. See here, 37 million. How to read? 37 million. 200. Because of 100,000 is there. 213. Then you write 1,000. Thousands period. All number you write only one time. Then write 1,000 and 946. Understand how to read and how to write? Next one. 150 million. 62,107. Understand how to read? 704 million. 291,000. Then and 865. Understand? Next one. Place value. Place value means what? Anyone's number. Place value means what? This is a depend upon the position of place value chart. See here. Given number. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 5 crore 23 lakh 45,678. This is coming in Indian system or international system? Indian system. And place value in figure, Write there 5 as it is. How many is there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Give there 7, 0. Write their place value in this one chart. In words, write there 5 crores. How to read now? 5 crores. Understand how to write? Next one. See here, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Million, 10 million, 100 million. So, this is in a international system. And write there 200 million is a place value. And write there 200 million. 200 million. Understand how to write? Next one number. Write the numbers both in Indian and international number system. Then write the place value of 7 in all numbers, in words and in numbers both system. See first here. This is a 7-digit number. You write there in Indian system also, international system also. See one I show you. Indian system, how to write? 274 million. International system, see first international system. 274 million 320,819. Next one in Indian system. In Indian system, 27 crore 43 lakh 20,819. 27 crore 43 lakh 20,819. Now, in international system also write there 70 million. 70 million. Okay. And then write there 7 crore. In international system 7 crore. But both are place values same. Na? Write there 7. And how many 0 you want? In front of 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write there 7, 0. Understand? Expanded notation means what? All of you know. Expanded notation means write there, we express their number, sum of the place value of each digit. Sum of the place value of each digit. D1, see here. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Write there 5 million, 5 million, 500 million, 40 million, 7 million, plus 300,000 plus 80,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 70 plus 3. Understand how to write? Next one. Write in a standard form. Write in a standard form. Standard form means what? How to number write? That type you write. Okay. See here. Last one. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Then million, 10 million, 100 million. 500 million. Okay. Then ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. 7 million, 507 million. 3,000, 3,004. 507 million, 3,004. First one is a correct. This one is your answer. Understand? Compare number. Compare number. How to compare the number? First one, see, both our sides are, all digits are same, means given digits is 6, 7, 8, 9, both sides are same there, you want. Count there. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Same as it is. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. 79 crore, 79 crore. Both are same. 23 lakh, 23 lakh. 41,000, 41,000. See here. 800, 900. 9 is a greater than. So, 79 crore, 23 lakh, 41,863 is a less than 79 crore, 23 lakh, 41,941. All of you understand? Now ordering number means write their ascending and descending order. Now how to compare number? That type you compare the number. Write their ascending order means small to big number. Write their small to big number. Then descending order means write their big to small number. Write their big to small number. See here. 9 crore 84 lakh 32,256. Compare their all these number. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both all these numbers in 8 digit number. Then compare first one. Then compare first. Crore place you compare first. 9, 9, 8, 7. This one you write first. Then 8. Now, both sides are 9, 9. Then 84 lakh, 84 lakh. Then 32,000, 32,000. Then 200 and 700. 200 is the smallest. 3 and 4. Understand? And descending also same. Write their numbers big to small. Big to small means this is right in opposite sides of ascending order. Ascending order. Next one, addition. All of you know addition how to do. Only one example I show you, huh? See here. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 8 crore 90 lakh 47,628 plus 1 crore 66 lakh 58,291. Add there. 8 plus 1 9. 2 plus 9 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 6 7 plus 2 9. 7 plus 8 15. Carry 1. 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 5 10. Carry 1. 7, 9, 9. How to write? Understand? How to write? Understand now? Now, where you do the addition? Total, together, all together, in all, these words coming, that time you do the addition. That time you do the addition. Understand? In the words problem, see here is total, here is also total, here is in all, here also in all. What is the sum of? Understand this word coming, that time you do the addition. Next one, subtraction. See here how to do the subtraction. In the words problem, subtraction, which words you want there? Take away, find the difference. How many left, how many more, how many less than. The difference. These words coming in the words problem, that time you do the subtraction. See here, how many more kilometers did travel by train and bus? How many more? How much more money? How much more? Okay, how much more? How many less? The difference. How many more? These words coming na, that time you do the subtraction. Okay, now see here. 749,232 minus 439,967,168. You start from the difference also ones place. 2 minus 8 is possible? No. What you do here? Take carry from the next number. 12 here. 2 minus 12 minus 8. 4 is there. 2 minus 6 also possible? No. You take the carry from next number. 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6, 6. 1 minus 1, 0. 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7, 2. 4 minus 6 is possible? No. So you take carry from next number. There 1 minus. 14 minus 6. 8 is there. 6 minus 9 also not possible. Take carry. 16 minus 9. 7. 7 minus 9 is possible? No. Take carry. 17 minus 9. 8. 8 minus 3, 5. 7 minus 4, 3. You got their answer. 358,782,064. Understand how to do the subtraction? Now next one, multiplication. Next one, multiplication. Multiplication, how do you do? Multiplication, how to do? All of you know. First one, you multiply 2. 24,123 multiply by 5,234. First ones to this all number, then take a 0 because of now you multiply tens number. Tens to all numbers, then you multiply by 100. That time you take a 2 0 and 100 number to all numbers. Then 1000 place. So give there first 3 0 because of you now you multiply by 1000 and write there, multiply there all these number. See here, 4 3s are 12, carry 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. 4 1s are 4. 4 4s are 16, carry 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. Now you multiply by 3, take a 0 and first ones carry you erase there because of you don't confuse there. Okay, now 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Now also you carry rub there. Okay, next one you multiply there 100 place, take a 2 0. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Okay, now see here. Now you multiply by thousands place, take 3 0, 1 2 3. 5 3s are 15, carry 1 of next number. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11, carry 1 of next number. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. 5 4s are 20, 0 right here, 2 is a carry on next number. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. 2 plus 0 2, 9 plus 9 18, carry 1. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 6 17, carry 1, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 9 19, carry 1, 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 2 14, plus 1 15, carry 1, 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 6 22, 2 is carry on next place, 2 plus 4 6. You got their answer 126,259,782. Understand? Now, in the words problem, they are given you one's price, you want there so many price. That time you do the multiplication. Okay? Next one, division. Division how to do? Previous year also I teach you. Now, see here. 39,495 divided by 15. Say the 15 table. Okay. Do as directly. If you behead the table, that time you do the division. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. 94. 15 ones are 15. How many is 94 is there in 15 table? See here, 15 ones are 15. See, 15 6 are 90. 4. Next one 9. 15 3s are 45. 15 3s are 45. Which is a quotient? This is a quotient. This one is a remainder. This one is a divisor. And this one is a division. And this one is a dividend. You call this one dividend. And this one is a divisor. Okay, this is your basic information. Okay, now any one number divided by 10, any one number divided by 10, that time last number is a remainder, and next how many is number, that is a quotient. You divided by 100, last how many zeros there, count there and count their dividend number, last numbers, that one is your remainder, and remaining number is a quotient. Understand? And in the division they give so many price, they want one's price, that time you do the division. Okay, this is your today's revision. Okay, today's homework, in their addition to sum, subtraction to sum, anyone's in textbook, multiplication two sums and divisions two sums, right? Okay, and page number 66 you write, page number 66 right. Okay, thank you.